Hey you guys, so we have a package here from Eayon Hair, so let's open it together. Inside my package they gave me some headbands. Y'all, at this point I'm literally swimming in headbands. So they also gave me a stocking cap. The wig comes packaged like this. And this is how the wig looks. OMG. You see this texture? Fire. And she's super duper duper full. We're gonna have some fun with this one. Hey you guys. So I'm back and it's like a week and a half later. And I went on my vacation and everything, and I came back feeling good, ready to, you know, get back into this filming thing. And since I've been back, I've worn this wig 4 times, and I worn it 1 time before I went on my trip. So today is actually day 5 of me rocking this unit. So I got some things to say about this wig. And I'm also going to show you guys some different styling options and everything. So let's hop into the styling, and then I'll give you guys my opinion about this unit. I want to show you guys really quick how this wig looks down. And I haven't added any heat or anything to this wig. And she's just flowing. This wig has like the perfect density if you're someone who loves voluminous, like full hair. One of my favorite styles, so I wanted to record my outro with this look. Is it given? Okay. So I want to run down my overall opinion about this unit, and then I will let you guys go. So once again, this wig is from Eayon Hair. Let me pull up the specs so I can give you guys the correct info. This is Eayon Hair's, they call it their headband wig, kinky straight human hair, HBWKS-1. So basically this is their kinky straight headband wig. And I have it in 20 inches, which I thought it was 18. So this is a really good true to length 20 inches, because a lot of 20 inches look like 22 inches on me. And I'm between 5'2" and 5'3" for reference. And they say that the density of this wig is 150%. I feel like it's more like 180%, but then again, it's so lightweight. You're getting all of your density, okay, sis, with this wig, and I'm here for it. The cap construction on this wig is more of a medium cap, which is perfect for me. I love that for me because the headband on this wig, as I mentioned in the unboxing, it has a really thick headband, which is everything. I'm gonna tell you why. I noticed with a lot of these headband wigs, the headband is like so thin that over time it stretches out a lot. So I wore this wig 5 times. This is like the end of the day's evening time. So I wore this wig 5 times total, sis. And it hasn't stretched out yet. So kudos to them for that. They upgraded the headband on their wigs. And I'm all the way here for it. That in itself makes this wig OhSo approved, because that is one issue that I have with headband wigs. And sometimes I kind of be over headband wigs. The only 2 headband wigs that I have in my collection currently is a curly wig from Eayon Hair and this wig. And by the way, this wig retails for $156 currently. And if I have any coupon codes or anything, I'll link that in the description box as well. But the headband on that headband wig compared to this one, there's no comparison, okay? This one is of quality. What did the girls say today? Chef kiss, okay? That's what it's giving, okay? It is definitely a headband wig to have in your collection if you're looking for something that's going to last you for a while. Because some of these headband wigs, it's like the quality of the hair be good, but the quality on the headband wig, not so much. But anyways, I digress. I didn't get a lot of shedding with this wig at all. The texture is gorgeous. I love a good kinky straight texture. If you want to kind of relax the texture, you can go in and flat iron this hair or even blow it out to make it a little bit more fluffier with your blow dryer. So yes, I'll throw on a headband wig when I want to have something to wear to the gym or to work out, to go take a hike, whatever I'm doing exercise wise. I feel like headband wigs are perfect. And I love to wear like the cloth like material headbands like this just to further secure it, because you know, if you're moving, you want your wig to be intact. And I don't always use my combs, so these help secure your wig down. I haven't gotten any tangling. It didn't have like no like bad chemical smell either. I like to throw that out because some human hair companies do have like a chemical like smell to their units. So with this wig, I didn't need to put any like fabric softener or anything on it. I mean, look at her. I did do another review for them on a Kinky wig. I'll link that down below as well, and I'll probably put the cards on the screen. It's something different about this one compared to that one. I feel like this one is like way more fluffier, and I don't know, it just seems way more realistic to me. So thank you guys for tuning into my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, you know I would love to have you a part of the fam, because you're my cousin, I'm your cousin, so let's be cousins, okay? And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hold up, I had to pop back in one more second because look, sis, I thought I was gonna have to slap a heifer today. I'm too grown for it, but I'm not above it, okay?